Hello everyone, and this is the love reading for the zodiac sign of Libra, and this is from 9th August to 15th of August, and this may or may not resonate with each one of you. Please take whatever is raised with you and leave the rest. So let's begin, Libra. These are the love messages I'm going to take out for you and your partner here. All right. This is for you. And this is for your partner, Libra. Let's see. Okay. Now this says, give thanks. Give thanks for the blessings of love soon to come your way. Know that you deserve to be and have all that your heart truly desires. So maybe you've got some blessings, your lover might be coming back to you, and this is power here. It says this is your person's card. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say no or to walk away anytime. So maybe your partner is not interested that much. Now let's see. These are two contradictory cards, excuse me. So now let's see what is the love message for you, Libras, here. My love team, please give me the love messages of the Libra. They are desiring the love. Let's see. What is what are the love messages for you, my love team? Okay, in your recent past, Three of Swords here. In your present moment, you have the Star in the reverse. In your near future, you have the Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. In your challenge, you have the Two of Cups here, and in your advice, you have the Nine of Cups here. Okay, Libra, so these are your cards here. Now, in the recent past, Three of Swords, there was a breakup with your partner, I think, in the recent past. There was a lot of heartbreak, lot of pain, lot of suffering from your side, on your side. And maybe there was a third party situation which led to this breakup here in the recent past. But you have come out of it, you have recovered from this pain here. There could be separation, there could be divorce from your partner. It looks like that is why you are asking your partner to come back. Now in the present moment, you have the Star in the reverse. Star card is a wish fulfillment card here. But it seems that things are going to take time, things are delayed here. And your wish may not come true in the immediate future. And but you are losing hope, kind of, but you don't have to lose hope. Things are definitely going to improve. And you're feeling very hopeless in the present moment. Now in the near future, you have Ten of Pentacles here. You are having some long-term dream, long-term goals here. And this Ten of Pentacles card is a card which takes a lot of time, lot of energy, lot of investment. It cannot happen in one day. This kind of stability, this kind of security. So this is what in the near future is that it you may be disappointed a little bit. This is a stability card also. Now what your challenge is Two of Cups. Exactly, you want your partner back. You had a very, very divine relationship with your partner. You had lot of love also between the two of you. But your challenges, I think they are separated from you. And in your advice, you have the Nine of Cups. So you are not satisfied. This is what it is, that you should remain hopeful. You are not satisfied. And maybe your partner doesn't want to come back so soon. You might remain single, and this is what is telling me from your cards. Now let me see, what does your person have? What is the love message, my love team, for the person of the Libra? I think they want more time. They are not willing to come back so soon here. So let's see. Let's see. Now, what is the recent past of your partner? Hermit. Hermit in the reverse. In the present moment, Death in the reverse. Two major arcanas. In the near future, you have the Six of Cups. In the challenge position, Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, and in your advice, you have the Ace of Swords. Alright Libras, you and your partner are definitely separated. They are not on the same page. In the recent past, you have the Hermit card. Now the Hermit card in the reverse shows that they were thinking a lot about this relationship, and they were a lot in their head about it. They used their wisdom. They tried to judge the relationship. They were in isolation in the recent past. They were separated from you, and you were separated from them. So now they have come out of the isolation mode in the recent past, maybe. Now in the present moment, Death, your person is undergoing a big change in their life, a big transformation. Death means death, which means that there is end of a situation here, and they are undergoing a big transformation in the relationship, maybe, or in whatever situation they are in. And it's a karmic card also. In the near future, Ace of Pentacles in the reversed. Maybe they might miss an opportunity regarding some financial stability here. They might not be ready to offer you anything in the near future. Now in the challenge position, you have the Six of Cups. Definitely this could be a past life connection, a soulmate connection also. They, both of you, had love for each other. This is what the challenge is. They have a lot of memories about you. They think of you, they reminisce you. They think of the good fond memories, the time they spent with you. They think a lot about it. This is the challenge. But they are in a very different kind of situation right now, presently, your person. And in your advice, we have the Ace of Swords, but in the reverse. So they need to have clarity. They want the truth. They want the truth. The advice is that they should seek the truth, and they should have clarity before they approach you, before you two people come together. You first clear the air. The air should be clear between you two people. Only then can you come towards each other. So this is what I have for you, Libras, and I hope you like the situation, the reading, and thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.